Welcome to a new episode of Scientific Smart Coaching. Uh, as we move from uh, left to right in a periodic table, electron gain enthalpy will increase, and also ionization enthalpy will increase. As we move from top to bottom in the periodic table, atomic radius will increase and atomic radius will decrease and electronegativity will increase. As we move from right to left in the periodic table, atomic radius will increase, atomic radius will increase and electronegativity will decrease. That is, as we move from left to right, electronegativity will increase. As we move from right to left, metallic character will increase, and as we move from left to right, non-metallic character will increase. As we move from bottom to top, ionization enthalpy will increase, and as we move from bottom to top, also electron gain enthalpy will increase. Today we shall discuss about different reasoning based question on chapter 1 of of periodic property of the class 10 ICSE board exam. A question arises in your mind: why does uh, elements placed in the same group, elements in the group have period same chemical property, have chemical property why the chemical property of the same elements in a group is same? Why? because they have same valency electron. Same valency electron. Next question arises that why group 1A element is called alkali metal. 1A element. These are called alkali metal. Why? Why these are called alkali metal? Because their hydroxide or their hydroxides are soluble. Their hydroxide soluble in water. Their hydroxide are all soluble in water, so they are called alkali metal and soluble in water, and they also, after solubilization, they also form strong bases. So these are the two reasons why alkali metal is called one A element is called the alkali metal, because their hydroxide are soluble in water and they form strong bases. Another question: why sodium is a metal? Sodium is a metal. Why sodium is called a metal but sulfur is a non-metal? Sodium is called a metal and sulfur is a non-metal. So this question also arises why sodium is called metal. Well, this is called this is for the reason that sodium has ionization potential. Sodium has ionization potential greater that is much greater than sulfur. Ionization potential of sodium is much greater than sulfur. Uh, Sorry, sodium has larger size. So sodium has larger size, and ionization potential of sodium is a uh, much small as much lower than the sulfur. So sodium is called a metal and sulfur is a non-metal. Next question, alkali. Why alkali metals are good reducing agent? Metal are good reducing agent. Why alkali metal are good reducing agent? Because alkali metal has one valence electron. Valence electron valence electron is 1. In alkali metal the valence electron is 1. So they can easily lose electron. They can easily lose electron. Lose electron to attain the stable gas configuration. So the tendency of losing electron is is very active here. So that's why alkali metal is we know that the losing of electron tends to make an element more reducing. So in this that's why alkali metal is a good reducing agent. Now a question arises that elements of sodium and chlorine elements of sodium and chlorine are in the same why are in the same period why this is the metal, this is non-metal, why are they in same period of the periodic table? Because sodium and chlorine as well as chlorine have same number of cells. That's why they are in the same period of the periodic table. Why potassium? Next question. Why potassium is larger than sodium? Why potassium is larger than sodium? Potassium has one. Potassium. Now potassium electronic configuration of sodium is 281, whereas electronic configuration of potassium is 2881. So potassium is bigger than sodium atom. That's why look here, the potassium, the electronic more electron is there, and it has more valence cells in potassium. So potassium is larger. Potassium is larger than sodium. In the same way, why magnesium? is smaller than sodium. Now the valence electron, magnesium is smaller than sodium. Now the valence electron of sodium, valence electronic configuration of sodium 281, whereas magnesium is 282. 282. The nuclear charge of sodium is plus 11. Nuclear charge is plus 11 here. And the nuclear charge of magnesium is plus 12. Nuclear charge is plus 12. Now here the charge is large, more, and the electron is more, so it will shrink towards the nucleus because the electronic charge is large. That's why magnesium is smaller than sodium. Why atomic size decreases? Next question. Why atomic size decreases when we move from atomic size decreases when we move in a period as well as from left to right? Why atomic size decreases?